Hello there guys, welcome back to another Roblox Studio tutorial. Today we'll be making a part. When touched, it will play a sound. Step 1, we want to get a part. And now that we have our part, we want to go to Toolbox, go to Audio, and search whatever you want this part to play. For me, I will be using a rock breaking for the example. Alright, now you have found your audio, you want to click on it, which will add it to the part. Then we're going to want to rename the audio to sound. After we have done that, we're going to want to rename the part to sound part. Now that we have sound part and the audio inside, we're going to want to click on insert object and we're want to click script. Now we're going to want to delete this and enter in this code right here. If you did name your part something else, you're going to want to change that to whatever you named it. All right, now we're going to want to go to base plate and we're going to click play to test the game. Alright, now we're loading it into the game, and as you can hear, as when you click on it, or when you touch it, it will play the sound. Alright, that's all for this video, guys. Hope you liked and enjoyed. Please like and subscribe, and I am out.